Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a get ready with me. Now it's been a long time since I've done one of these and I figured I'm going to do one because I have got a ring light today. Well, I've had it for like 2 weeks. So I just thought, why not? So it was actually recording, but the camera cut off. Ow. Jesus. So I just put my primer on and my foundation. I don't like the way it's looking. I look really bad. Now, I was just in the middle of doing my makeup and the camera actually wasn't even recording, which is fantastic. So I am now going to, I've actually put on my primer and I use my face base by Bobbi Brown. And it's really, really amazing. If it's focusing. Is it focusing? Not really. It's just so good, so enriching and... Sorry, I'm thirsty. It's just really, really good. So nice. And it kind of has like an orange kind of smell, vanilla kind of citrus smell, which is lovely. And then I've used my MAC SPF 15 Studio Sculpt. That's the wrong lid. And I've been using this because I found this in one of my drawers and I've not used it for years. So I'm using that for now, and it's okay. It's not the best, but it's very high coverage. And I've got foundation on my hair. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some concealer. Now, I'm using the Lasting Finish 25 Hours Breathable by Rimmel. This is just a drugstore. I actually got it on offer. It was reduced. So I just want to try it out because my Makeup Revolution, it's not great, this, to be honest. My Makeup Revolution one ran out and I've not been able to get into town. Why do I keep using it when I've got a mirror up here? Shit, it's squirted everywhere. This is what I mean with these stupid tubes. So anyway, I apply quite a lot on my face, on my eyes. Now, how's everyone today? It's a Saturday morning for me, so I am just getting ready to film some videos. It just takes so long to get ready for videos, I find. So that's that. Then I'm just gonna tap it in my face. Now this concealer is okay. It's not the best, but I think the Too Faced Born This Way foundation is really good. And I'm going to do a review on that. I've been meaning to do a review for absolutely ages. I just haven't got around to it. Ugh, it's gone everywhere. So once I do that, I'm just going to apply a bit more foundation because I just don't think it looks that great. And obviously I haven't done it on camera yet because it cut off. I need to wash my beauty blender, I know. It just takes so long and I can't be bothered. So any updates to tell you? I ended up getting my lips done for the 4th time last week. So my lips are literally perfect now. I know I keep saying they were amazing every time, but I think the swelling is very, what's the word? Misleading, because you think that your lips are going to look like that when you finished, when the swelling goes down and it doesn't. And it's really annoying. So I finally got my shape, I'm really happy, finally. I'm not going to make another video because we can't be doing 4 videos about my lips. It's ridiculous. Obviously, my friend, Naomi at Hilton Aesthetics, did my lips, and I will put her link below. my best friend. I love her to pieces. So once the foundation's on, what do I do next? I'm like, when I'm on camera, I'm so on edge. My lashes are looking really weird. I feel like I look like an egg. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows because I'm literally have no eyebrows left anymore. I used to have big thick ones and then I just pluck them all away again. Which is really annoying. Just what I use now, I've gone back to using a pencil because I like quite dark eyebrows. And this one here wasn't really giving me that. It was just, well, eyebrows were looking very, don't know, not very good. So quite light. So I've ditched this one and I just use a spoolie brush now for that, for anything. Where did I put? Where's my eyebrow pencil? Oh, God. Oh, it's here. Oh, I'm gonna shut myself. So this is the Rimmel Eyebrow, and it's just standard Rimmel eyebrow pencil. It's in dark brown because I don't know, I quite like dark brows at the minute. I've just changed kind of vibe again, like I always do. I get a lot of inspiration. So I actually need a mirror for this because it's really difficult. Now once I've got one eyebrow, I can't believe I'm having to start again with my eyebrows because I've plucked them all. Fucking gutted. So now I take just a normal kind of, I think this is like a eye pencil. And I'm just going to rub away the excess with some more foundation because I need it to be more defined. Oh, I've just got rid of half an eyebrow. So that's that. I'm just going to, obviously, now I'll just rub away the front as well so it doesn't have that kind of sharp beginning, you know, the kind of block. I don't like that. I think it looks tacky. So we do that. And there's one eyebrow done. I do actually need to pluck my eyebrows so they don't look the best as they should. It'll do. So the next one now. Then again, I'm going to carve the eyebrow out again. It's weird how I can always do it better on camera in real life. And then I'm going to just get rid of the front too. Looks too much. And then redo a bit of my eyebrow. Since I've had my eyelashes extensions, I just don't feel like I need kind of bright eye makeup. I don't know why. Don't know if anyone else is like that. So, sorry if I'm a bit somber today, but just getting ready. Let me know if you like kind of relax, kind of get ready with me. So do you want me to be like a mad psycho? Let me know. So, that's done. Eyeshadow, but I don't really into it anymore. I might just do like a purple shimmer from the Morphe palette. Just get like a tiny bit of brush. I've really hardly used this palette, to be honest. Tiny bit. I need to use the brush. It's funny how when you wet the brush, the pigment works so much better. Morphe Jewel palette, and I love it. It's very subtle. Okay. I'm going to use kind of a fan brush just to fan it all out too. It's not going to be a different colour, but yeah, it is. Oh, I need to wash these brushes. Let's try again. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to fan everything out a bit more. Now, I always find if you hold brushes from the end, you have much of the touch of the brush is much softer and lighter. And I really, really like that. So now I'm going to look again and see if it's gone patchy, if it's gone too much on the sides, and just wipe away the excess. That looks okay. So that's done. And I love this because it has a little mirror with it. What's happening? We're on 20 minutes. Right, so that's done. Next, I'm going to use my disgusting battered Ofra by Nikki Tutorials, and I've literally hit pan so hard because I absolutely love this. I'm going to repurchase. So Nikki, if you're watching, I adore. I need to turn that. I can't. The light doesn't really. I'm not a fan of the light. Much better. I just use the dark highlighter as the blush because I just think it's such a nice contrast. And then I also go back in with my beauty blender just to smooth things out so there's no harsh lines. And I'm just going to have to clean up these edges again. Back on now. Right, so I've done my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to put some different kind of highlighter. And I'm going to use the two here, which are the kind of the bronze and the like kind of opal kind of colour. Kind of light frost. I'm just going to do the cheeks. I just adore this highlighter. I mean, you can see then the end of my nose and the bridge, and I just, God, I love it so much. It's such a beautiful colour. I use a bit more of the opal and I just love to be highlighted. And then obviously I go redo my nose if it's too much, kind of look, you know, assess the situation. And that is actually it for my look. I don't actually take that long with doing my makeup anymore because obviously my lashes are done. I do like a simple eye, and then my lips, I'm just going to put a clear gloss because I'm actually quite happy with how my lips look now, and I just don't need to overline and all that because I think you should want, when you've got good lips, I think you should just put clear gloss and be done with it, not worry about anything else. I mean, it's nice when you go out, but I'll just stick some gloss on. I'm just going to brush my hair. Do I need to redo this bit? Just gonna stick some gloss on, and that will be the end of the get ready with me. That's the come get ready with me, all finished. I'm just gonna tidy up a bit. I think it looks fab. Just bring it to the light. So this is the finished look. Just so natural, so gorgeous, and really simple, kind of bronze. I love it. So everyone, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like. By the way, how amazing do my lips look? Just with a gloss, they look sick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Would you like any more? I keep saying come down with me. Would you like any more get ready with me's? Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.